Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are. It's Mr. Jin 256, a YouTuber from Kampala, Uganda, and today I've come up with an amazing video about an Eritrean brother that's doing a very good job in Kampala over here. Let's go. So how are you?
I'm fine.
Yeah. What's your name?
My name is Kenny.
Kenny. Are you a student here?
Yes, I'm also a student.
Okay. For how long?
This is the second week.
Second week?
Yeah, my second week.
Okay. That's good. Don't worry. Sergeant 256, a YouTuber from Kampala, Uganda, and right today I'm here in Kansanga at an art school. So I don't know how it's called by name, but let me meet the CEO himself. Welcome, sir.
Hello.
Yes, I'm okay.
Welcome.
Yeah, what's your name, bro?
My name is Nawai.
Who?
Nawai Abra.
No?
Nawai Abra.
Nawai Habra.
Yeah.
Okay.
From Eritrea.
From Eritrea.
Yeah.
So you're doing a very nice job here.
Okay.
For how long have you been doing this?
Almost 1 year now.
1 year.
Yeah, but I was doing also in South Sudan for 3 years.
South Sudan. Yeah. So you have ever been to South Sudan?
Also Ethiopia, yeah.
And Ethiopia?
Yeah. So in teaching, almost been 5 years.
5 years.
Yeah.
So you've done it internationally. That's good, bro. Oh, another art piece right here. How are you, sister? So which type of, do you know about this type of car? Like, do you have an idea about the car that you're coming up with? So she's trying to come up with a car. I think it's a Jeep, old model Jeep, those old fashioned car. So, but I think this, how far she has gone is the art piece. The other one is the specimen, and then this the art piece she's trying to come up with. So what's your name, first of all?
Edan.
Oh?
Edan.
Edan. No, your names are somehow difficult to pronounce by Ugandans.
Edan.
Edan, eh? Okay, so how old are you?
18.
18. So for how long have you been here practicing this fine art?
5 months.
5 months. Okay, that's good. In 5 months, if you can produce that kind of art, then it's a good improvement. I hope at the moment, by the time you finish or you spend a year, you'll be perfect. And where do you get the passion to do art, to do fine art? When? When you were little. So you used to see some people doing art, eh? Or you used to admire fine art pieces or seeing people doing fine art. Do you have anyone doing who did or who is doing fine art in the family or among the friends? Okay, so you're pioneering the art career in your family. That's good. Fine art is very good actually, because it brings happiness, it creates stories, it does a lot of things. You can do a lot of things with fine art, and fine art can take you far in this world. So you're doing a very good job. You're chosen a very good career. So where do you want to see yourself after some years, or after finishing this? What do you want to do, like after learning fine art? Do you have any like what? Artist. You want to be artist, yeah? So you want like to do it at what level, like? Because no, fine art is broad. Fine art is a very broad thing. You can use it you can do industrial art. You can design, like, I like art, and I also used to do fine art when I was still little, but then I had no someone to guide me right how to do it. but for you, you've got a chance. You have here your teacher who is teaching you and who is advising you and who is telling you how to benefit from fine art. So that's good. Oh my God, guys, this is again another amazing art piece. You can see she's copying from the phone, but how realistic the two images are, it's really amazing. So how are you, sister?
Hello, how are you?
I'm okay. What's your name?
Vitalia.
Bitel. Okay. It's hard, but it's just amazing that you're coming up with something realistic. So far, among the art pieces that I've visited, yours, I think 80% realistic. Yeah. So for how long have you been here?
About 7 months.
7 months. 7 months, and you can bring out something like that. So you, among the artists here, you're among the leading artists. Yeah. So is that image popular? Is it for a popular person, or just got it from somewhere?
Just from somewhere.
From somewhere?
Yeah.
Okay. The scarf?
Yeah, it's an Eritrean culture.
Eritrean culture.
Yeah.
Okay. It's nice. I also used to do fine art, but then I lost morale because I had no one to guide me. Yeah. So I think if I want to continue this school, I think it can be a better choice for me. Can be a better choice for me. Comics.
Yeah, the colors are yellow, black, red, and white. But the other things you have to mix it.
Okay. So another question, what do you want to do fine art for? Like, you want to use it to do what?
I'm not sure.
You're not sure?
Yeah.
You just enjoy, as per now, you just enjoy the...
Yeah, I draw it just like a therapy, to relax myself. I just do it for myself.
Okay. So you have any plan of coming up with an art gallery for keeping your art pieces?
Till now, no. Like, I'm studying here.
You're studying?
Yeah, I'm just starting. No.
Oh, so you have no any project that you're coming up with, because you may be having any project that maybe I'm having a project at home, maybe I'm painting something that will be out or will be finished by this time or this.
Yeah.
You have any project there at home?
Just eating what the teacher is instructing us.
It's, right now you're following teacher's instruction first, then after mastering, then you can create something. Ah, you're brilliant. That's good. Oh, thank you so much. Yeah. So far this Ugandan brother. Yes. You understand some English?
Yes, I had some.
Some, eh?
You know that?
Yeah, but then I wanted English most. Okay, I'm not going to ask hard questions. What's that you're trying to come up with? What's it? Is it a jug?
A jug
With fruits, eh? Okay, I think they are like black or blueberries, something. Okay. So what are you aiming at right here? Is it a shape, tone, or everything? Everything, yeah. So you have to come up with exactly what is there. Okay. So this brother is also coming up with a very nice art piece. You can see, bring out that the other jug with fruits. And I think the main focus is the tone, lighting, and shape, yeah, of which he is trying. He is trying. This young brother is trying to, he's just starting.
No, this was he finished the picture.
He finished. Let me see the picture that you've done. Oh, yeah, I can see. You've come up with a motorcycle. Scooter, is it called scooter or something? No. Motorcycle. So you're beginning this one?
Yeah.
Okay, it's a lion head, if I'm not mistaken. It's a lion?
Yeah, you use lines.
Yes. So this young brother is going to start up with the lion head. I think the main task here is the bring out elements and focus on tone and all that. This one is trying to bring out the hand holding a tennis ball. Pieces of art that these guys are doing here. Okay, so let me look for someone who can explain to us, who knows some English. Let me first take you around the art pieces and you see the wonderful job that they are doing here. So this one is trying to paint a skull. What he's seeing here is what he's painting here. So this is a very good tutorial. So they are copying from here. Then I think you can see that's a nice approach. This one is trying to paint a mango. He's trying to paint a mango. This is the specimen. Then this is the art piece that she's producing. Wow. And this is trying to paint, I think it's a bucket, something like a bucket. So the other one is the specimen, and this is the art piece that she's coming out with, she's coming up with. So that's nice. The little boy, they don't understand English as much, but I think you can see the wow. This is really a nice art school, fine art school. So he's trying, this is a specimen and this is the art piece that he's trying to come up with. The passion she has towards fine art and the joy that it gives to her. So you can see. Hey bro, what's this? What's this that you're trying to come up with?
Maybe a construction.
Construction something, okay. But then you're looking at the elements, the tone, the tone, the shape. Okay. So he's trying to learn the tone, the light effect. I think he's coming up with a very, very good art piece. Another one here, he's trying to come up with, is this a sunset or sunrise at the beach? Yes. How are you, bro?
Fine.
Yeah. How is it?
Nice.
Nice, eh?
For the years.
Okay. For how long have you done this? Have you been doing this?
Last.
For?
plant.
Yes, for how long? Okay.
Maybe here.
So I think you can see that's the either sunset or sun rays at the beach. Yeah, you can see the palm tree and the other whatever swinging, whatever, I don't know how they call it, but I think the guy is just trying to come up with it. So this the palm tree, and this that swinging whatever. So then this the sky, and it's about to come up with the water. Okay, that's nice. So here this boy is coming up with a ball. Yes. So far the boy is very young, but you can see that at least he has tried to come up with these shapes. These are they pentagon shape something. I'm amazed by this. So you've done it perfectly somehow so far. So I think this doesn't require paint. You just need to use pencil. Yeah. So you just use the pencil and bring out the effects, the tone, the light effect, proportionality, and all that.